I think this is like the most exciting video I'm gonna give y'all. I'm fired because I should have showed y'all this a long time ago. This is like my showstopper at parties, like my hot wing dip. So it's my famous hot wing dip, okay? So y'all know I love you. So we gonna do like Ricky Smiley says, the old woman boiled a meat. We're gonna salt the pot because we want to get some flavor. We're kind of making like a broth. We're just simply doing some water, some salt, some pepper, and some garlic powder. All right, let that come to a boil, and you're gonna put your chicken breasts in there. I had only 2 chicken breasts, but as you can see, I'm cutting them in half. You cut them in half, you double it, so that gives us 4. And that just spreads it, and it makes it cook quicker because it's thinner. The breast is thinner. So we're stretching the meat, and we're making it cook faster. Win-win. So I'm poking some holes in there so we can kind of penetrate through there because we want it tender. So you just want to boil this until the meat is cooked through and it looks like some white chicken. Doesn't take too long. I don't want to lie to you. Just keep an eye on it. I don't recall how long I boiled it, y'all. So, and you see that one was being stubborn. Come on, stop hating. Yep, we're gonna eat you. So, yep, get your chicken boiling in the pot. We have some salt, some pepper, some red crushed peppers as well. Our hot sauce, our ranch, and our 3 cheeses or 4 cheeses. So you want to let it cool before you handle the chicken with your hands like you see me doing. So it is cooled off. I actually boiled it the day before, so it was left over. Yeah. So you want to break it up with your hand a little bit, and then you can get a couple of forks and shred it. And you don't want to do no rotisserie chicken and all that. Nope. Do it like this. Do it fresh. Okay? And just boil that meat. It's not hard. Because it's just more delicious that way, y'all. So I just put a little drop of that water in there from the leftover meat. And yeah, just break it up. And while you're doing this, preheat your oven to 350. All right, so then we add in our hot sauce. That's just a 1/2 cup. I use Cholula, so just use whatever hot sauce is your favorite. And then you want to do a whole cup of ranch. I did Hidden Valley. You can do whatever ranch you want. Ranch is ranch. So then you want to stir it up. Once it has like an orange color, you know it's well combined. Then we're going to add in just 1/2 of our cheddar cheese, all of the mozzarella. And I wish I got like some footage of how gooey this was. Oh my, it was like gooey like a pizza commercial. So therein goes our cream cheese, and it's very soft, y'all. I'll put it in the microwave for 25 seconds. That way I can stir it in easily. And that is just a 1/2 block of Philadelphia cream cheese. And you see how it's spreading even more because we're bulking it up with the sauces and the cheese. So this does feed 6 people, and you can eat it with some celery, some tortilla chips, french fries, however you want to eat it, salad, it doesn't matter, but it's so good. So yeah, you want to incorporate all of those cheeses like I'm doing, and kind of mix it in and get it all blended in and creamy. It's so good. I still have some left over. My mouth is watering. I think I might get some. Ooh. All right, so then I had some sliced Muenster cheese. I'm gonna put that on the top. You don't have to be cute and anal about it. Just throw it on there. Make sure all the spots get some love. And that's what makes for the gooey top. Put the Muenster on there. Muenster cheese. And then we're going to put in the rest of that cheddar cheese. The cheddar cheese, it was mild. You can do sharp or mild, at least mild. It depends on the richness you like of cheeses. And I did go back, y'all, and shred a little more because, you know, I was like, this is not going to do it. So that's why we need 2 cups of the cheddar cheese. I will, of course, include the ingredients in the description box. Okay, there go the rest. Yep. Let's get a little more. We want it gooey. You're going to be bad all the way. Yeah, so our oven is preheating, and then we're going to throw it in there. It doesn't take long. Slap some paprika on there that, you know, gives a good presentation, a little color, a little pop. And then we want to put it in the oven, let it go. and it takes about 30 minutes. And I would let it rest. Let it rest and let all those cheeses mix in and kind of get formed, and then serve it with those options I gave you and enjoy. And you know the deal. Let me get a closing. Let everybody know. I need to make a song, don't I? So I don't care if it's your neighbor, your priest, your side piece, the stripper, your dog, whoever, okay? Your coworker, your boss. Let everybody know about Nothing Like Home. Thank you so much for the love and the support and for watching. Enjoy. You'll love it. I promise. Try it tonight. Bye.